All right, so we are doing lip liners today. There's just so much. I really wanted to try to combine all my lip products in one declutter video, but it's not realistic. My collection is just too big. So we're gonna do lip liners today. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy this declutter series. And today, obviously lip liners, but I'm decluttering every area of my makeup collection. Anything that I purchased that I'm getting rid of that is still good will go on Mercari, and then anything that was sent to me in PR that I declutter, I'm just giving away to friends and family. So my Mercari link will be linked down below if you guys are interested. But don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just get into it. My taste in makeup, especially lip products, has really changed. So I know pretty much what I like, and I'm not gonna swatch everything, but I'll swatch, quite a few. So we're just gonna start out here, Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. I've repurchased this time and time again. It's one of my favorites. So that one is definitely staying. This Catrice one is really nice too. It's their lip foundation pencil in Addicted to Cafe au Lait. It's a beautiful, beautiful nude, super cheap. All of my nudes are gonna kind of go in one. Pinky Mauves will go in another one, and so forth. This is a fantastic one from Lancome. It is in Mauve Natural. Very, very similar. It's more of a nude to me than a mauve. We're keeping that. This is a new one from CoverGirl in the shade Magnetic Mauve. I think this one's a little bit darker. Yeah, see how that was a little bit more of that mauve pink. We're gonna move you over here. This is LA Girl in the shade Forever Bare. This one might be a little bit more peachy, a peachy nude. I don't have a ton like that, so we'll keep her. This is MAC Honey Pecan. I don't know if I've even used this one. Ooh, that is a nice nude. I need to pull that one out more. Gonna move that there. These are the new Makeup Forever pencils. This one is in the shade 600 Anywhere Caffeine. It's gonna be more of a brownie nude. That's nice. All my nudes are at the top, so they're probably not going anywhere. Love these L'Oreal Color Riche ones. This one is in Matte Stermind. And I'm keeping it. They're so creamy and nice. Also keeping this one in 602 from Makeup Forever. Perfect, it's so nice. I decluttered a bunch of those already. I also love this one in Share from Gerard Cosmetics. Just a nice little deeper nude. This is from Buxom. It is in Stealth, and it's a light peach nude. This one is from Essence in the shade, I don't know, Satin Mauve. Has more of that pinky mauve tone. This one's from Makeup Forever, and it is in the shade N12. This is kind of like a collection and declutter. That's pretty. Put that in the mauve color. This is a clear one. I never use clear ones, so I'm gonna declutter that. This one is from Hourglass in the shade Canvas. And, oh, that's a pretty kind of pink nude. I like that. This one I love. It's Sephora, and it's in Nude Beige. It's amazing. Keeping you. This is Nothing Sexier. It's a Pro Longwear from MAC. This is a very, very light nude. I don't know. I think I'm gonna declutter that. That just doesn't really do much of anything for me. This one is a Lottie London Slay All Day in the shade Work It. And that's a nice pinky kind of mauve nude. This is Portside from MAC. It's definitely more of a deeper burgundy. I'll think about that one. This one is a Lorac pencil, and it is in the shade Socialite. This one's a light nude. See, like that I like. That was just too light. We have Boldly Bare from MAC. That one's nice. That has more like a little bit of the peach tones to it. Oh, Honey. This one's a great one. Such a good nude. I wear lip liner every single day, so to me to have a lot of nude lip liners is worth it because I do use lip liner every single day. This is Naked Liner. Oh, she's dried out. Let's try sharpening her. It's really nude. I mean, it's like almost as nude as that one. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I just don't think I'm gonna use it. All right, we have Double Time, also from MAC. It's a great nude. Soar, I love this one. It's more of that pinky mauve color. Oh, Burr or Bear, B-U-E-R-R. That's a great deeper, I love this one for fall, especially with Whirl lipstick. ColourPop, I might do ColourPop separate because I have a lot of ColourPop. If this video isn't too long, I might add ColourPop, but I'm probably gonna do them separately. This is a Make It Forever Clear. I'm not gonna use it. This is an Exaggerate from Rimmel in Innocent. Let's see. Yeah, that's a nice nude. Oops, and Make It Forever in 14C. It needs to be sharpened. Nice, kind of more pinky mauve. This is, oh, this is actually an eye pencil. Move you out of there. Okay, MAC Half Red. Really nice, kind of deeper mauve-y wine color. 130 Dusty Rose. Yeah, that's nice. This is from Maybelline. Like I said, I decluttered a lot already, so these ones are mostly the ones I really love. Chestnut from MAC. Very brown, I'll never wear that. Lorac Secret Agent. Really like that one. That is a really, that's like the kind of brown I can do. We'll put that there. Okay, we have another Lancome one in the shade Portel. That's pretty. Move that over there. Dervish was one of my very first lip liners ever. It's a really nice kind of nude pink. It needs to be sharpened so that I can get the old part off, but that's a nice one. The No Bleeding Lips, it's another clear one. I just don't use those. This one is in Mauve. It's from NYX. Yes, that's a really nice nude, more on the nude side versus the pink. Urban Decay Stark Naked. I'll get rid of that one. This one is from Inglot. It is in 859. This one's a really nice nude. Love that color. We have Fresh Clay from MAC. Like that color, that's a nice nude. We have Liar. This is a good one from Urban Decay. Oh, this one needs to be sharpened. Yeah, that's pretty. I'm gonna put that kind of over here. All right, Make It Forever number 11. That's a nice pinky one. I kind of stick to the same colors as you can see here. Duchess, but I go through lip liners so fast. That's a nice lighter pink. This one is Naked from Urban Decay. That's a nice nude. This one is Kylie in the shade Moon. Too brown, I don't like it. This one is a Victoria's Secret one, and it's in the shade Soft Rose. There used to be one that, I can't remember if it was called Centerfold. I think that was the name. Anyways, it was like one of my favorite, and they discontinued it when they stopped selling makeup. This one's all just dried out. I'm gonna get rid of that. All right, we have MAC Current. Wow, that is definitely dried out. So let's give it a good sharpen. One's for the fall. I'm gonna think about that one because the formula is just kind of dry. In Control from MAC. Beautiful mauve shade. This is a Flower Beauty one in Petal Pout. A little too peachy orange for me. This one is Wicked. I used to love this one. I think I can part with it now. Pink Treat from MAC. Ooh, that's nice. Yes, I like that one. This one is an LA Girl in the shade Keep It Spicy. It's a brown I can kind of do. This one's a Jordana one in Berry Baby. I'll pass that one along. Then we have Naive or Native? Native. I like that one. It's a light pink. Okay, we're on to Pressed Blooms from MAC. That's nice. It's kind of a little bit of a pinky toned. This one is Wet n Wild in Never Petal Down. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that one. I won't wear it. Jilted, another one of my old favorites. I will pass that on. This one is Venom. It's a nice vampy color. I do like that. What is this one? Vino. That's a nice one too. I think I like Vino better than Current. All right, we have Night Shift. Gerard Cosmetics. These are super creamy. I will keep Night Shift and I'll get rid of this one, which was Current. Edge to Edge, this is a nice, like, kind of pinky toned one. I like that. Double Time, I'm pretty sure I already have one of these, but that's okay. In Control, it's a nice nude. Chicory, I just won't wear it. Hip and Happy, I'll keep one kind of bubbly gum pink. Subculture, it's a great nude. I'm just not a huge fan of these pencil ones, so once I use them up, I'm not gonna rebuy them. Edge to Edge, I don't need two. This one is in number 20. I like this one, I wore this the other day. Great little nude. Okay, this is Hex from Urban Decay. Ooh, that's nice. Their lip liners are some of my favorite. Rosy Rim. I can pass that one on. Brick. It's a nice red. I don't have any red saved yet. Miss Diva. That's a nice one. I like the Pro Longwear formula of MAC. They're really creamy. And number 13 from Makeup Forever. Ooh, that's a really nice nude. Maybelline Color Sensational in Magnetic Mauve. Don't I already have this one? That's so pretty. White, Urban Decay. Such a good mauve nude. This one is Silver Lilac from Jordana. I can pass that on. This one is Night Moth. This is very, very dark. Let me think about that. I can pass this on. This is Pandemonium. It's just a bright purple. I won't wear that. Out of these bright purples, Heroin, Magenta, and Fashion Boost. Well, I'll get rid of Magenta because that's all dried out. Heroin. I'll keep Heroin and Fashion Boost. That's kind of my fun purples. I think this one is also Fashion Boost. They're both almost gone. NYX Nude Pink. This is a great light nudie pink color. This one is CEO. I love these Lorac ones. They're retractable. Ooh, that's a nice nude. Yes. Okay, I have one coral and it's Streak. I'll keep that because that's a fun coral. I'll put that with the pinks and purples. I also have a Blaze. I'll keep both of those. I'll have two coral ones. So if I ever decide to wear coral. Bow and Arrow, I have two of these because like I said, I go through them. Bittersweet, I'm gonna pass this one on for Urban Decay. Same with this one in Obsessed. I'll pass that on. And what is this one? More to Love. Oh, I used to be obsessed with this one too. I think I have two. It's just a hot pink. It needs to be sharpened. This one is Dynamo. I'll pass that one on. More to Love. So here's the other More to Love. Well, they both need to be sharpened. Pass on. Huda Beauty Trophy Wife. This is a good one. More of that mauve-y pink color I like. Edge to Edge. I already have one of these, but it's a really nice pink, like nude pink. Dionysus. I don't know how to say it. Ooh, that's nice. I'll keep that. This one is Hawkind from Kat Von D. I love their liners. It's a little bit more of a brownie color. This is Inoki from MAC. I don't have anything like this, so she's staying. Fleek from Lottie London. I'll pass that on. I'm gonna pass this on too, number 42. It's really pretty, but I have enough reds and I don't wear them enough. Wine. That's pretty, but I'm gonna pass it on. That's from Maybelline. This is Flower Beauty. This one's Flower Beauty in Figgy. No, this is Smashbox in Figgy. It's pretty, but I'll pass it on. Great Catch from MAC. Pass that on. This one is Good Timing from MAC. Ooh, I'll keep that one. That one's fun. Gash from Urban Decay. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I'll keep that. Bespoken For. I'm gonna pass that on. I just don't wear those enough. Vino, I already kept one, so I'll pass that on. Absolutely It. Great Deeper Nude. This one is 10C from, ooh, that's pretty, but I'm gonna pass it on. This one is I Am Unstoppable. I have other ones like that that I like better. Rush from Urban Decay. Yes, that's a great one, wow. This one is Nightingale from MAC. I'll pass that on. Wet n Wild, Plum Together. Ooh, that's actually really nice. I'll keep that one for the fall. Plum, I like this one from MAC. It's kind of like a brownie. Nude, I really like this one in Silk from Prestige. It's a great nude. Cherry, it's a nice red. It's like the classic red. Trust in Red, pass that on. Violet from Smashbox. That's kind of pretty, I'll keep that one. I'll pass this on. This is Purple Rain from NYX. I've had that forever. Then we have Lorac Dominatrix. Ooh, that's creamy, but I'm gonna pass it on. Dark Out from MAC. Pretty, but I have other ones that I've kept. This is a clear one. This is Kylie Vixen. Pass. Cyber World. Pass. I already have a Night Moth. Got rid of a Current already. Oh, Morning Coffee. This one's nice. Nice nude. Deeper nude. Rebellious. Pass. Lorac Seductress. Pass. Another Rebellious. A clear one. Plum, I already have one. Blackmail. Pass. I'm doing good now. 1993, I like this one. It's a kind of a brownie nude. And then 41 from Makeup Forever. Pass. So I got rid of a lot. I kept quite a few, but I'm getting rid of all of those. I'm gonna do, Port Side. I'll pass on Port Side and I'll pass on Night Moth. I'm gonna do ColourPop in a separate video just because I have quite a few, but these are what I kept, which is pretty good because I had, all of these could easily fit in 2 or 3 of these containers, but I had them in like 7 of these. So not too bad. Definitely think I got rid of equal, if not maybe a little bit more than what I kept, which is better than I thought I was gonna do. So if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will be uploading a lot more declutters. And give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell before you leave, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.